Hello and welcome back to Sizzle Nook. Tasty recipes made simple. Today I'm showing you a quick, healthy, low-budget, high-protein, and low-fat meal that is perfect for lunch or dinner. We are making a healthy chicken and veggie rice bowl that is ready in around 15 minutes and tastes absolutely delicious. If you are looking for simple meals that are budget-friendly and good for your health, then this recipe is for you. So, let's get started. For this recipe, you will need 1 chicken breast, cut into small pieces, 1 cup cooked rice, 1 small carrot, sliced thin, 1 small capsicum or bell pepper, chopped, 1 small onion, sliced, 1 teaspoon oil, 2 cloves garlic, chopped, salt to taste, black pepper, ½ teaspoon paprika or red chili powder, ½ teaspoon cumin powder, optional, a little lemon juice and fresh coriander for garnish. These ingredients are simple, affordable, and easy to find. This recipe is not only tasty, but also very good for your health. First, chicken is a great source of lean protein, which helps build and repair muscles. Second, vegetables add fiber, vitamins, and minerals, which support digestion and overall health. Third, because we are using very little oil, this meal stays low in fat and feels light, not heavy. So this is a perfect meal for busy people, students, families, or anyone who wants healthy food without spending too much money. Take a pan and place it on medium heat. Add just 1 teaspoon of oil. Once the oil is warm, add the chopped garlic and sliced onion. Cook for about 1 to 2 minutes until the onion becomes soft and slightly golden. This step gives the dish a nice flavor base without using too much oil. Now add the chicken pieces to the pan. Season with salt, black pepper, paprika or red chili powder, cumin powder. Mix everything well and cook for around 4 to 5 minutes. Keep stirring gently so the chicken cooks evenly. You will notice that the chicken starts turning white and then slightly golden. That is exactly what we want. Because chicken breast is naturally lean, it gives us a lot of protein without too much fat, which makes this recipe both healthy and satisfying. Now add the sliced carrot and chopped bell pepper. Mix well and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. We do not want to overcook the vegetables. It is better when they stay slightly fresh and colorful because that keeps their texture and nutrients better. At this stage, your kitchen will already smell amazing, and the dish will look bright, fresh, and appetizing. Now add 1 cup of cooked rice to the pan. Mix everything together gently so the rice gets coated with all the flavor from the chicken, garlic, onion, and spices. If you want, you can add a very small splash of water here to keep it soft and moist. Cook everything together for 1 more minute, and that's it. Your quick, healthy, high-protein meal is ready. Let's quickly talk about why this meal is a smart choice. 1. It is high in protein, which helps you stay full for longer and may reduce unnecessary snacking. 2. It is low in fat, so it feels lighter and can fit well into a balanced eating plan. 3. The vegetables provide important nutrients and fiber, which support your body and digestive health. So with one simple meal, you get taste, nutrition, and affordability together. Now serve it in a bowl and finish with a little fresh coriander and a few drops of lemon juice if you like. This meal is perfect for lunch, dinner, meal prep, or even a post-workout meal. It looks colorful, tastes fresh, and most importantly, it is very easy to make. If you enjoyed this healthy recipe, please give this video a like and support the channel. And don't forget to subscribe to Sizzle Nook and click the bell icon so you never miss my next quick, budget-friendly, and healthy recipe video. Also tell me in the comments, what would you like to see next? A healthy breakfast recipe or a high-protein dinner idea? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.